Is your Rheem AC unit only cooling for 10 to 15 minutes before shutting off? This issue, known as short cycling, prevents consistent cooling and can damage your system. Refrigerant leaks are a common culprit. Low refrigerant levels cause the system to overheat, triggering a shutdown. Faulty thermostats can misread the temperature, leading to premature cycling. Electrical problems like a failing capacitor can prevent the compressor from fully engaging. Restricted airflow from clogged filters or dirty coils causes ice buildup and system shutdowns. Finally, improper sizing or installation can lead to system imbalances and short cycling. Fixing short cycling requires systematic troubleshooting. Start by checking and replacing air filters if they're dirty. A clogged filter restricts airflow and can cause the system to shut down prematurely. Next, inspect the evaporator coils for ice buildup. Ice formation suggests airflow restrictions or potential refrigerant problems that need attention. If you suspect a refrigerant leak, which is a common cause of short cycling, call a professional to check the pressure and use UV dye to locate the leak. This requires specialized equipment and expertise. Also, ensure your thermostat is functioning correctly and properly calibrated. A faulty thermostat can cause the system to cycle on and off too quickly. Consider checking the capacitor, but if you aren't comfortable or don't know how to, have a professional come and check it. Capacitor issues can cause short cycling and require safe handling. For smart Rheem units with features like EcoNet, check for error codes or alerts in the app, which can point to specific issues causing short cycling. Remember, consulting a certified Rheem technician is crucial, especially for refrigerant issues or electrical component replacements, to ensure warranty compliance and proper system function. Also consider that newer Rheem models include AI-driven apps that analyze usage patterns to predict short cycling before it occurs, providing proactive maintenance solutions.